KillSwitch. Kill 3 neutral area cards. Draw 4 new community cards into the neutral area and move one of those drawn cards to your loyalist, or either loyalist. You may also remove a special card. So, we'll play KillSwitch, and the first thing we're going to do is remove some of these cards, just the ones that I feel like removing. Then I'm going to draw 4 new cards into the neutral area. Those are good. Then I'm going to choose one of those cards and make it a loyalist. And given what's on the board here, I'll go ahead and take the highest one, which is a 13. And one little bonus of KillSwitch is she is an extra remove card. And currently the opponent has Finding Faith, which is deducting 5 points from both of these cards. So simply removing that gives me another 10 points. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.